What's good, wealth builders? It's your boy Devon back again with another video, and today we're talking about how to make money to invest using mobile gaming apps. So let's go.
Now tuned into the greatest.
Okay, real quick, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money, saving more money, and building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand: how to make money to invest using mobile gaming apps. Okay, a lot of folks come to me and tell me all the time that they want to invest, you know what I'm saying? They want to invest in real estate, they want to buy stocks, they want to, you know what I'm saying, find a way to get, equity in a company, or they want to start their own online business or what have you, but they don't have the money. Like, they're living paycheck to paycheck and they're struggling just to get by, but they want to make, you know what I'm saying, some extra money, that's so they can use that money to build something bigger and better than what they have going on. Okay, and I feel that pain because I've been there. Okay, I've struggled through the good and bad times of starting an online business. I put the sweat equity in, you know what I'm saying, and I'm still am putting the sweat equity in and still pushing forward to build my online business day by day. Okay, but I understand where you're coming from. I understand where these people are coming from. I understand the struggle. I understand the grind. But I don't want you to live in it. All right. So that's the whole purpose of me making this video, because these games are going to give you the opportunity to make some money to invest. Now, hopefully you're going to actually do what you say you're going to do and take that money into invest, instead of just going about it with the whole, I'm going to make some money on the side and spend it on, you know what I'm saying, shopping and what have you. Okay, hope you're going to actually do what you say you're going to do and take this money and invest. But with all that being said, man, let's get into this, the breakdown. All right, so number one, the first gaming app I want to talk about is Solitaire Club. Okay, this is a regular solitaire card game. Okay, but a solitary card game, but you can play for real cash. The game matches you with players of the same skill level, so you have a solid chance of winning. And if you're a good solitaire player, you could win some serious cash. Okay, and the cash tournaments are not available everywhere. Okay, Arizona, Arkansas, Connecticut, Delaware, Florida, Louisiana, Maine, Maryland, South Carolina, San Diego, Tennessee, and Indiana all are against this mobile app. So if you're in those states, please do watch out. You won't be able to use this app in those states. Number two, Bingo Blitz. Okay, I don't think grandma would like this bingo, but you might. Especially the fact that you can play it on your phone and not have to get, you know what I'm saying, or go to some weird, smelly bingo hall, okay, and play with grandma and her friends. All right, you only need 2 minutes to play per game, where you play against another person around the world. It's, you know what I'm saying, it's fairly easy. All right, you can learn the game. It's awesome at killing time, and you can earn some cash all at the same time. Okay, you can play for free against real people for prizes, or switch over to cash games to win cash. Cash game winners can win up to $1,000 or more in mini tournaments. Cash tournaments are not available in Arizona, Arkansas, Connecticut, Delaware, Florida, Louisiana, Maine, South Carolina, San Diego, Tennessee, and Indiana. Honestly, a lot of these games are not available in the same states. Okay, so the states I'm listing are the states that these games are not available in, and there'll be a link in the description where you can actually look at where all these games are available and actually go ahead and download these games if it's something that you want to do and your state allows you to do it. Number 3, you got 3 minutes to win at this classic game. Okay, yep, you guessed it, 21 Blackjack. Okay, this is actually one of my favorite games to play shots with, but that's for another video. All right, the gist of 21 Blitz is make as many as 21s as you can within 3 minutes time, or until you run out of moves. It's fast paced and it basically does all the math for you. This game is great for killing time and earning cash all at once. You can play for free against real people for prizes or switch over to cash games to win cash. Cash game winners can win up to $7,000 or more in the mini tournaments. And again, the cash tournaments are not available in the same states I mentioned up before, okay? And if you missed that part of the video, there will be a link in the description that's so you can see everything for yourself. Number 4, you like scratch offs? Then Lucktastic is for you, my friend. Okay, the dope thing about this scratch off game is that you don't need to go to the store to play it, and it's free. Okay, there are a ton of different scratch offs you can play, and you can earn both cash and tokens, but there is a limit to how many you can do every day. Okay, and when you want to redeem your earnings, you can choose from Amazon gift cards, CVS gift cards, Dunkin' Donuts gift cards, a check being mailed to you, or Visa gift cards. Okay, so either way, you're gonna have to get something mailed to you, but it's still a good way to make some extra cash, right? Number 5, are you smart for no reason? Then you can get paid daily with this game. This game is called Skilly World. Okay, I know it's a silly name, but Skilly World is kind of dope. Okay, you'll be able to test your trivia brain and win actual cash if you do well. With Skilly World, you can win a minimum of $5 to $1,000 depending on which trivia game you play. Categories range from entertainment, TV, movies, etc. to history, music, geography, lifestyle, science, sports, and more. There are smaller tournaments going on 24/7, but the daily mastermind tournament has special themed trivia questions every night at around 9:30 p.m. Eastern with guaranteed prize pools. Previous themes have been Game of Thrones, Netflix, Harry Potter, Disney, and more. Okay, so far they've paid out $130,000 in prizes. While the app is free to download, you get 2 free golden tickets to enter daily tournaments. You do normally have to pay an interest fee for each tournament, which range from $3 to $10. This makes the prize pot much bigger, which benefits the winners. So check it out and see if you can get paid for your knowledge. All right, Skilly World is not available in certain states: Arizona, Arkansas, Connecticut, Delaware, Florida, Louisiana, Maryland, Missouri, South Carolina, San Diego, and Tennessee. It's not available in, okay? But like I said before, there will be a link in the description to my blog while I have all this stuff broken down, and you can read it for yourself and you can really know what states are not available, or you can just play this video back and watch it one more time and give me some more views, you know what I mean? Either way it works for me. All right, so now you can see that there is no excuse to not build wealth by using your winnings from these games. Okay, so basically what I'm telling you is that play these games, win some money, take those winnings and invest it in either starting an online business, some type of crowdfunded real estate, or stocks. Okay, and or you can start doing each one. Okay, it doesn't hurt. Okay, and you don't have to spend a whole bunch of money to start with these investments and businesses. Okay, you can start with $100 to $500 and start building your wealth and building your business and building income that you don't have to use from your 9 to 5. Okay, because I notice a lot of people when it comes to your 9 to 5, you have some type of, connection to that money that you're working for, and it's hard for you to use it to invest with. Okay, and I get it. I understand. It's a lot. I understand the thought process behind it. But in reality, the only way to get away from this 9 to 5 is to use your money to invest in something that's going to create money for you while you're asleep, while you're with your family hanging out, while you're with your kids, while you're out at the park, while you're, you know what I'm saying, shooting hoops with the fellas, going to basketball, you know what I'm saying, whatever it is. That's the only way to get rich, okay? Because you can't work 24/7. Your money has to work for you. So what you do is, again, play these games, these mobile games, okay? Use the money that you win from them to invest in something that's going to make money for you while you're not there. All right? So, like, there you have it, man. Now, it's gotten even easier because just by signing up with Webull, you'll be able to get 2 free stocks just by getting started, okay, with Webull through the link in the description. Okay, so you can start building your wealth using, you know what I'm saying, by investing in stocks that pay dividends, and these dividends can be reinvested into more stocks and grow your stocks and get bigger dividends and things like that. You start working on a nice retirement fund or whatever, or maybe you want to buy stocks for growth that you can sell at one point. It's up to you. But all I'm saying is that with Webull, you'll get 2 free stocks just by going through my link. Okay, the link is in the description. Click that link below and get started today. All right. So again, there you have it. It's your boy Devon signing off for how to make money to invest using mobile gaming apps. Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.
It's the Wealth Builders, baby.